Good morning, everyone. I'm Stéphanie Dumortier. I'm in charge of international relations for CESI Graduate School of Engineering. So it is one of the 200 schools of engineering based in France. And I have the pleasure to give you the main headlines of what we can offer as a School of Engineering. So first of all, we provide 4 of the specialties you can follow as a student. We train engineers in industrial engineering, IT, computer science, civil engineering, and embedded systems. Second, we also provide some post-master courses called Master Spécialisé. These specific programs are labeled by the main body in France called the CGA. We also provide, we also have a laboratory called LINEACT, leading, applied research. Altogether, we count around 8,500 students. And of course, we have international partners all over the world in Europe. I will give you more details later on. One main asset of our School of Engineering is that we are based in 25 cities all over the French territory, as you can see on this map. And depending on the specialty you're interested in, you will have the choice of your destination. I think it can be quite a good hint for you because you will be able to choose your specialty, your school, but as well a destination, a city where you will be living during your stay in France. And as you see, you have a wide range of size of cities. Of course, we are based in the major student cities such as Paris, Lille, Bordeaux, Toulouse, Lyon, which are very famous usually, but also in smaller cities where it's maybe more convenient to find an accommodation and to get integrated. So it's up to you. You can see, depending on what you are interested in, you will be able to choose your destination as well. We are a School of Engineering that starts right after your Matura, right after the high school. You will be able to start getting trained with us. So you can see the language requirement here on the left. So you can start with us from the first year, just after the Matura, or in the third year, if you started to study in Serbia, higher education. I don't know if you already hold a 2 or 3 years degree. You can carry on with us to carry on what we call the cycle ingénieur, so the last 3 years of the equivalent of the master's degree in engineering. And if you're interested in the IT computer science, you have to know that we provide it is either in French, either totally led in English, which is a good opportunity if you don't have any clue of French. And of course, the postmaster degrees are open for people already who graduated already. So this is open as well, after a 5 years degree, you can attend a master spécialisé. If you don't speak any French, we open some specific courses that we can call foundation years. So this, it's a 1-year program where you will be attending intensive French classes in French. You will also have, of course, scientific contents. You will be integrated with the other students, French and international students. It means it will be easier for you to improve your French language. I will tell you more about the pedagogy, but the pedagogy that we developed at CESI is very facilitating your integration and your success in terms of linguistic skills and the scientific skills. And since we have many campuses, as you saw, most of them are human-sized, so it means you will be integrated in the social life and student life very easily as well. You will have a buddy, so like a godfather, someone who will be your angel taking care of you. And all our team is dedicated as well to be sure that you do improve in sciences and in languages. Of course, we also provide these foundation years for students who don't speak English, because in France, to graduate as an engineer, you need to master French and English language. All our students graduate with an equivalent of B2 in English as well. So it happens that we welcome students who don't speak any English before they come to our school. So just the same idea, they have intensive classes in English instead of French, and they attend this course. I will show you here where these foundation years are positioned. So the first foundation year is in the parallel to the second year of studies. It means if you already started your education in sciences and techniques, you can start with this foundation year in the second year, and then you will carry on your studies. You see, you will be studying in year 3, 4, 5 as a regular student with all the students, or you could start in year 3 parallelly. At the same time, you won't be in the third year, but you will be in a parallel class of the third year, and then you will spend the last 2 years with the regular program in engineering. So it's a very good option for those of you who don't master enough the French language, or who don't want to attend the IT computer science fully taught in English. For this foundation year, we tend to say it's better to have at least A2 in French before you start in September. It means it will be, if at the moment you don't speak any French, we would recommend you to take classes at the Institut Français or Alliance Française closest to you in Serbia, and then maybe to plan as well to come for a summer course in France in July and August. Usually it's the most efficient. And of course, you need to have a good good command of English to come as well in these programs. And even though you come to the regular programs we have, English is really used every day in most of the projects and the problems that the students have to solve. We have a lot of partner companies. Since we are based in so many cities all over the French territory, we also have a close relationship with local companies, so big groups, of course, but based locally close to our School of Engineering. And of course, they are used to take our students for internship, for specific, experience, professional experience. And we have very good relationship with them. Of course, many graduate end up to be employees as well in these companies. Now, I have to tell you about the pedagogy that we chose. Because we realize that most of the time the students love to go to internship, and when they come back to school they get bored, and so we decided to give an end to the kind of classes that usually at university. So we don't have big classes given by a professor in an amphitheater, but we work through problem-based learning and project-based learning. It means the students work on projects or problems which are designed specifically to get some skills, some scientific or social sciences skills. And they are designed, they last between 3 up to 6 weeks usually. And the students learn to work together, which is a very good soft skill required in the company for employment generally after you graduate. And it's very efficient. Because studies prove that when you decide to learn by yourself some scientific concept, you will better learn it and keep it in your memory than if we tell you you need to learn it for tomorrow. So this educational model that we design is very interesting, very committing. You will be fully, how can I say, acting during your studies. You will actually be in charge of your own progression and your own knowledge, but everything is very well designed to help you to get to the point that we want you to get to. And it's very interesting. And the fact that you work in group is also helping you to improve, of course, your master of linguistic skills in French, especially, but it really helps you as well to have really good relationship with the other students, because there is no competition between the students. All of the students have to work together in order to lead the project to a good end. So you learn actually to give the best of yourself and to put it together for the group, and the result at the end is a group result. Of course, you will have as well some individual assessments and collective assessment, but of course individual as well. But the main objective is to really to teach you to get you to get this experience of working together, not only when you will be an employee, but during your studies. It's a very nice experience. I'm sure that some of you actually do it if you're at high school at the moment. Many in many programs now, this active pedagogy is implemented, and probably as well in higher education. It's a big trend now, but I think it's not only a trend, it's really useful, it's really operational. So this is how it works. So first you will have a kickoff session where you will build your own team. We will explain you the organization, the aim of the project or the problem, and then you will have loops of analysis of you will do hypothesis and so on, and then you will have to design something or to go to the Fab Lab to product something, or you will have to prepare a poster about one of the concepts and so on. You will have to check your hypothesis and learn a new concept and so on. And then you will come to the end of the project where you will give an oral presentation, and all the groups who have been working on the same project will then, debate and review and analyze their own result and the target of and the aim of the project. So it's really interesting, but I have to admit it's not for everyone. Some of you might love competition or might like to work more individually. It's very important to know that, because in this case you won't get to the main recipe of our school. So basically this pedagogy is made for people who like to work collectively and to be in a team. So this is generally what we say about the profile of engineers that we train at our school. You won't be, I have to be honest, you won't be a fields medal, but you will be a very operational engineer who will be able, to have a good analysis of the issue that you will be working on. You will be able to solve problems, of course, in complex environments. You will be able to learn by yourself because of the pedagogy, and to give solutions based on, of course, scientific based approach. And you will be implied as well. You will be committed to the society, to respect, all the current issues that we know that we face through environment issues and social issues and so on. So you will be fully aware of this ethic dimension of the engineer, which is absolutely fundamental for this kind of function in the society. And you will be a good manager, because during your training, you will have a lot of management tools and skills developed as well, because it's also very important to be able, as an engineer, to be a project leader and to manage a whole team, not only of engineers, but of different kind of functions and employees around you. I told you we have a lot of international partners, especially in Europe, but not only. In IT, especially, we have a lot of partners in North America, in Quebec, in Canada, in India, in Taiwan, all over, in many countries, actually, in Russia and so on. Very nice destination. You will be able to do a dual degree as well. So it means you will graduate from our School of Engineering and from one of the partner schools. As you can see, we have as well a lot of partnership in South America, in Asia. We have very good cooperation, especially at the moment, with Mexico and Argentina. In Asia, with India, with Taiwan, with Vietnam, and many other countries, Malaysia, where we send a lot of students. Very nice destination. And at the moment, of course, everybody is really thrilled to travel, and hopefully it will be possible for you. Beside of it, before you come, we will help you prepare your arrival, because we know it can be very stressful to leave your country and your family and your friends. So of course, we will be supporting you, helping you in all the steps before you travel, before you come to France. You will have a buddy. So one of the students will be your buddy, helping you integrating in the city that you will be studying at. And we will be beside you to help you find an accommodation, to help you opening your bank account, to do all the administrative steps, and to be sure that you don't miss anything that you have to do at the arrival. We know it's a lot to do and a lot to deal with. And all during your stay, you will be as well guided and supported by our academic staff in terms of academic integration, just to make sure that you get all the basic knowledge, fundamentals, and that you get the pedagogy as well, that everything is okay for you, but as well to prepare your career goal, because for each student studying at CESI, we want you to tell us when you start, what would you like to do afterwards? What is your aim? Which kind of engineer would you like to become? And you will have this kind of session individually with your pedagogical counselor very often, to be sure that that if you change your mind in terms of career goals, we will help you to do the better choices in terms of internship, of parallel options and so on to take, to help you go into this direction and find the best opportunities to achieve your goal. So this is very important, and all these meetings will be organized very often during your studies. Yeah, and we have, each kind of, I don't know, of course, you will have a student life. On each campus, there are many opportunities as well. Depending on the campus, it's also depending on the students. And it also happens that one student who loves one sport, which is not offered, for instance, can open, one section in his campus and motivate the other students to do the same sport or to join him. So you will be able as well to organize things and to be a leader in the student life, and to offer your services for the student life. How to apply to our School of Engineering? You can either contact us by mail. I will give you the details just after, or you can find as well there is one online form that you can fill from our website that you can see here in the section admissions. So you can step in and you will have one form. If you are interested to join for the master's degree in engineering from the third year of studies, you will have to take an entry test with written exams and oral examination as well. The oral examination is okay because we're used to do it through Teams or Skype or whatever online. But for the admission test, for the written test, we will organize it if we have more than one student. So as soon as we have one applicant from a country, we will open a section, one session in his country. So if you need to take this test, you need to know it will be on March 2nd, and we will organize it locally for you. This is the important part as well, the tuition fees. So you can see here the different ranges of prices. And if you're not a EU student, you will have the possibility to be allocated to get a scholarship that we call Bourse d'Excellence for the very best profiles. So if you have a very good academic profile, our team will provide you the possibility to apply to it. There's nothing else to do. We have already your transcript, so it's really a decision taken by the school, and we will tell you we want you to get this scholarship. So you don't have nothing to do to prove that you deserve it. For the master spécialisé, you can find the price as well. And for the foundation year, there is one kind of foundation year that we lead together with N+I, which is a network of schools of engineering, and the other one, which is fully led by our School of Engineering. So you can see the prices for the foundation year. Of course, if you need summer courses, we will organize it with you, and we will deal prices with some of our partners. Of course, we recommend you to start classes or to reinforce your French during your stay in Serbia before you come to France. And you have a lot of opportunities with the local market, especially, as we say, with Institut Français or Alliance Française. You have you have a lot of possibilities on site. But once again, we can help you organize a summer course in France, close to your campus or in any other city of France. There are a lot of language centers which are labeled. Of course, we only work with labeled, accredited, let's say, center for languages in France, but there is a very, very large choice, so we will help you organizing it. Beside of it, so you can find out more about us on the website. Of course, it is you can find it in English. On Twitter, you can follow the news. On LinkedIn, you can contact us on this email that you see, Relations Internationales @cesi.fr. And that's it for now. It was quite quick, but I think, yeah, we still have time for some questions. Voilà, thank you for your attention. And please let me know if you have any question. Take the opportunity to ask them now.